downtown to see those seagulls flying. Yes, they are just sitting in the water. Way here, I've seen them so beautiful, coming out of the water and flying like a bunch, like a beautiful music. Would I be lucky to capture it? It would be nice, huh? They're just lying on the water. Let's see. We will catch them. See, the water is very nice. When you take a video, you got to be patient, especially with the seagulls. They're not moving, not budging. But earlier, there was two crazy guys that did a flip out of the bridge to the water. That's on the left side of the reservoir. There you can go for a swim. It's joined the Bow River. This is the Glenmore Reservoir. So nice, but those guys don't fly. But I'm sure it will still look nice. So we'll see. Patience is the virtue. You can hear them. Very noisy. Here some of them are budging, flying, but not yet. Yeah. Nature of thing in front of us. So nice. Oh, watch those guys. They are flying. Look at this. How lucky I am. I was patient enough to see them fly. Wow. Isn't that a beauty? Hope maybe you can hear their noise, but they are a bunch. Now they're coming closer. There, you can see them. Yes, they're going back this way. Wow. When you take video, you have to be patient. And Aaron was never a patient man. They call me the cheetah. I go after things. But I think I got my video. And I want to go home because I'm starving. So we'll say bon après-midi and my seagulls. Yes, in the St. Lawrence River in Quebec, where I used to live in Montreal, there is plenty of them. It's called the Gaspésie. That's where I used to go every summer with my ex-wife. It's a beautiful place, the Gaspé. If you're ever in Quebec, leave Montreal and travel 8 hours, much nicer than Vancouver. The big boat go there, and the best lobster in the world and shrimps are there. How nice it is. So, buona giornata. Here they fly again. I better catch it again and let them go, because this is special. Can you see? They're going that way. Wow, 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 wow. How lucky I am. But I think that's enough. Now they're coming back to their base. Nice.